Introduce highlight features or overview summary for KADSKAN window cleaning robot, automatic window cleaner robot, electric washing tool. You can find wanted, shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs, filter by specification type, brand and more. Highlight features or overview summary are include: automatic water spray cleaning. This window cleaning robot has a suction of 5600 PA, 2 ultrasonic nozzles, and automatic/manual double-sided water spraying mode, which can free your hands and time from the annoying window cleaning work and avoid the risks of standing and working at heights. Highest safety. The internal drive system ensures non-slip steady movement and protection against power failure, thanks to high-quality materials and precise gravity settings. Equipped with a professional climbing safety rope with a 300 pounds load capacity to prevent the window cleaning robot from falling out of the window. Deep cleaning. The window cleaner robot adopts a double spiral cleaning head and ultrafine fiber cleaning cloth, and automatically detects window frames and obstacles, which can more effectively clean window glass without scratching. EDGR detection. With high-precision coupled sensors, even cleaning frameless glass is not difficult. The sensor quickly detects edges and adapts to the cleaning path. Auto path cleaning. 3 automatic cleaning mode. The window cleaning robot can intelligently calculate the path and provide automatic cleaning mode and manual directional cleaning mode. If you want to get full highlight features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. In addition, you can press to subscribe. Press the bell and select all, to get instant notifications of all future uploads.